Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Due to my 60th birthday celebration, I'm unable to do live video, so I'm just recording it. Today morning, I just mentioned that there will be some kind of surprise thing may happen in last 3 trading sessions, and also said about the gamma effect. And today, at some point of time, Nifty rallied nearly 200 points. But however, Nifty future was trading the almost 100-point premium until yesterday. So that premium got wiped out completely. Later, towards the end of the day, the Nifty started falling, but not the Nifty future. So Nifty future premium has come about 10-15 points from 100 point. Then towards the end of the day, again the premium expanded. So today morning I said, when the markets open flat, so there is a likelihood of some kind of a trending. And moreover, yesterday FIIs did not sell, and the domestic institutions have bought for more than 5,000 crore. So probably that was an indication for the short sellers to cover their shorts. There was some sudden selling happened around 2:30 like that, but then so markets recovered after that. So given the global cues, European markets were firm. US market futures are higher. So today also we found that both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers, and together they have bought for more than 3,000 crores. So much anticipated short covering has happened today. But as I told you, this is after a long time, the Nifty future premium continued into the last 2 or 3 trading sessions. Even today, at the end of the day, the Nifty future premium is considered to be high because tomorrow is expiry, so that has to go to the spot. And today, yesterday I said, IT stocks are down, banking stocks are down, then, how the market can go up. But today, surprisingly, the Reliance Industries shot up 3.5%. So that has contributed highest number of points for Nifty rally today. Though IT index continued to fall, TCS and Infosys fell once again. And the Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank was okay today. Yesterday it closed at the lowest point of the day, but today it tried to recover a lot. So all in all, I think bulls must be happy that we are not closing below 22,000. And anyway, tomorrow we have one more trading session. But by looking at today's FII data, DII data, looking at the US markets, I don't think that tomorrow we will be falling more than 100, 150 points. I don't think that Nifty will be closing below 22,000 tomorrow. So highly volatile, month. But as I said earlier, compared to January and February, the March was relatively less volatile, a relatively expected move. But though it has moved about 700, 800 points, but thanks to SEBI, their directive on mid cap, small cap, there are many other things. Not only SEBI, but RBI also. Like this IAFL Finance, then JM Financial News, So there are so many bad news has come, So Nifty fell from 22,500 to 21,700, almost 800 point. But at least more than half of that has been recovered. So anyway, we are left with just only one more trading session. And, we need to see whether HDFC Bank continue to recover, whether IT stocks support. But without these two major indices, markets, closed respectively well. So anyway, the remaining things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.